Hi lovelies, do you know what shocks people most, including you who is watching? It's when you hear and I confirm to you that I earn money online on a monthly basis with just my small audience and my few views. Yes, it is possible and workable. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 2 powerful secrets that make me do this and make me have money on a monthly basis. These 2 powerful secrets, they make this happen consistently, not today and not the other day. So let's dive in and see the 2 powerful secrets that help me earn money online irrespective of few views and small audience. Perfect for YouTube, perfect for Facebook, and even perfect for Instagram and TikTok. But before that, you guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. It's Christine, your lady, the lady that says, I cannot handle a smartphone and beg for bread. No, that is a big error. So you guys, before we dive in, I would love to really say thank you to our beautiful and handsome engagers. You guys, you make this happen. No one can make this happen apart from you. We really thank you. Engagement is the key to money. It's one of the things that makes us earn money. If you're tired of posting and seeing low numbers, this might just change your mindset, and it can also make you change how you look at content creation forever. Before we dive in, yes, it is possible. I want you to confirm to yourself and even write it in the comment section. You write that it's possible with my few views and a smaller audience to earn money on a monthly basis. Without doing ado, the first secret, I've used it since I came to know, it's around like now 1 year that I've been using this secret, and I think it is also going to help you. Picking a high CPM or a high-paying niche, you guy. Like, I give you an example. How did I come to check and I decided to go to the niche I'm in, making money online? Listen, not all content is paid equally. It's a lie. If you see someone saying there's no money in content, that means that one has not yet gone to the bone marrow. That's why I choose a niche with a high CPM, that is cost per 1,000 that is cost per 1,000 views. Every 1,000 views, the advertisers pay some amount of money, and that is called CPM. And that is my making money online is so great for me. It is making money online takes like the 4th position in the high 10 paying niches. I refer you to one of the videos that we made about high-paying niches that can really surprise you irrespective of your raw views. As you can see on our screen, you might be on the first day after making a video or whatever the clip you've put, you might get your CPM is very beautiful, but in turn, however much the views are few, at least in turn, you'll get some good amount of money. And being evergreen content, it means every day it continues bring you money, because making money online is one of the key searchable words. So just think about it. I think I'll be bringing entirely one video about about a few or maybe many searchable keywords that are highly optimized. So the secret really here, it lies on you knowing that my niche is a real good niche. So even if with few views, you still get earnings per view. And when you compare it with other videos that go viral, the funny clips, the general lifestyle, motivation, these ones, they really get, their CPM is always low. I don't chase trends, by the way. I create value-based content in a profitable niche. This is what I growed myself on. There's that time when I'd wanted to change to another niche because I wanted also to be among the people you see thousands of views on your videos. But I came to know I did not come for views. I came with a goal, and the goal is to make sure that every person that has a smartphone, of which now almost 98% of the population do use a smartphone. So be ready to make sure that you also use this chance to create your content in the profitable niches. Now the second secret, which is also major, is about consistency. Most people ask, Christine, how do you do it? How do you manage consistency? I sat down and I'm like, if I'm not getting enough, very many views, I can incorporate the videos into each other such that I get worth the views that other people are getting in one video. So for example, I will use 2 videos. At least I know those 2 videos can reach 500 views and the watch time. So I break it down. I make sure, okay, I'll post 2 videos. Okay, I'll post 3 videos to make sure that I'd get it. So this is my biggest secret. This is right here, people. It is a game changer. I have seen it is changing for my case. Most people give up too early, and I know who is watching me. You might be among the people who have given up, or you intend to give up. But for me, as I record this video, you guys, let me tell you the truth. This video is a voice-over, and I'm in bed. But for me not to be behind my schedule, I had to come in. So trust me, consistency is a game changer. I have to show up every day as per the schedule, no matter what. I'm telling you, you can't even hear my voice. So, but why do I do this consistency? Why do I applaud in a way that you will find yourself asking, does she have any other job? Because consistency builds momentum. It leads the algorithm. It just feeds algorithm the good food and what to eat and not what to eat. It trains your audience and build trust over time. One day they know, oh, this is our girl, this is our person. Your 5 viewers become 50. Then from 50 it will become 500. One of the guy that makes for me thumbnails today told me he had to point out one of the videos, say, I see that video on Facebook is doing very well. So this is what helps you if you become consistent. And guess what, you guys? Platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, they all love consistent creators. I'm telling you. That's how you get pushed even more, and you feel like, oh my God, should I make even 4 per day? You guys. So even if with small numbers, small audience, the regular upload keep my content alive. They keep my content searchable. They keep my content monetized. And also they make my community love it more and love me more. Now that you've had, you guys, my 2 secrets, what about you? Are there many other secrets? Yeah, there are many secrets, but I really wanted to show you what has helped me to do what I'm doing. So let's recap. 1, you have to have a high CPM niche. There are very many. If you can go to our playlist on Immaculate Show, you'll find everything. Then also, showing up every day is very key, essential. You have to show up. You have to make sure you do what you're supposed to do. I'm very grateful, you guys, that you're still watching. And if you know you're still watching up to now, you've not yet liked this video, shared it to any of your content creators, please, I beg you, do it as soon as possible, then as we go. You don't need to go viral to start earning, guys. You just need a right strategy and the right mindset. Try these 2 secrets of mine out and come back to thank me later. Let me know in your comment section. Please go down and tell us which one will you start with, or which have you been using so far. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.